Ever heard of a fungus with a taste for gold? It sounds like unbelievable, but scientists discovered a real gold-eating fungus, and it's blowing their minds. This bizarre fungus actually incorporates gold into its structure, something no one expected because gold usually wants nothing to do with living things. So, stick around to find out how a humble fungus is munching on gold and why this discovery could revolutionize mining on Earth and even in space. Deep in the soil of Western Australia, researchers stumbled upon a fungus that literally wears gold. So the researchers picked the fungus and get it to the lab. Under the microscope, they saw fine fungal filaments, called mycelium, speckled with tiny golden beads. I mean, real gold attached to the fungus's strands. This gold-coated fungus shocked scientists and myself because gold is famously unreactive. It almost never interacts with living organisms because gold is so chemically inactive that this type of interaction is unusual and surprising, said the lead researcher. So what I am saying is, the nature broke a rule here. A fungus bonding with gold? Unbelievably true. So if you ask, will this fungus really eat gold? Well, scientists think the fungus works like a tiny gold refinery. It likely releases special chemicals that dissolve minuscule gold particles in the soil, then redeposits the gold onto its strands. In simpler terms, the fungus dissolves and then precipitates gold, essentially pulling gold out of its surroundings and sticking it onto itself. Imagine a fungus panning for gold, but doing it biochemically. Surprisingly, the fungus seems to benefit from its gold haul. When gold particles latch onto the fungus's cells, the fungus grows faster and appears healthier than its gold-free counterparts. It's like this fungus has the Midas touch. A little gold bling helps it thrive. In short, we can say gold-coated fungi grew faster and healthier than normal fungi. Researchers suspect the gold gives the fungus a competitive edge, perhaps by helping it metabolize nutrients more efficiently in its environment. So let's leave all this facts behind. Till now we saw how the fungi benefits from the environment. But now we're going to see how can the fungi benefits us. So, this gold-digging fungus could spark a revolution in how we find and mine gold. Traditionally, finding gold means drilling or panning in lots of places or analyzing plants, soil, and water for hints of buried treasure. Now, imagine using fungi as nature's metal detectors. If we find these gold-loving fungi in an area, it could point to underground gold deposits nearby. If you think fungus mining on Earth is wild, wait until you hear this. Scientists are even imagining fungus miners in space. Here's the idea. Asteroids and other planets are loaded with metals, often much richer than what's in Earth's crust. Space agencies are keen on the idea of space mining to fuel future colonies and industries. But hauling massive drilling machines into space is hugely expensive and impractical. What if, instead, we sent microbes to do the job? Of course, it's not as easy as it sounds. Can a fungus survive in low gravity, with little water or nutrients? That's a big question. That's all for today.